Good day, everybody. So let's start the class. Today I'm going to show you how to make an account on SIMnet so you're able to easily do your assignments on SIMnet portfolio. So first of all, look for your course ISP 3026. So I click on my courses and I'm able to see ISP 3026 spreadsheet for business. So this is one of my course. In the course, we are able to find a folder called SIMnet folder. So click on SIMnet folder. Here you're able to see two options or two links. The first link is called SIMnet login. Click on SIMnet login, Hanson College. Right in here, once you click on it, you're able to see a portal for Hanson College from SIMnet. You don't want to open the Hanson College portal inside Schoology. So you have to get out by clicking on this small arrow. Once you click on small arrow, the Hanson College portal on SIMnet opens in a different tab, as you can see on my screen. In here, you are a new user, so you're going to click on under new users, register now. So click on register now. First thing, you're going to put your first name and then your last name and then your email address, which you remember. Please make sure you're putting that email address which you have the password for, because it will send you to verify your login information. So make sure you have the right email address. Then student ID, the college gave every one of us a student ID, so make sure your student ID is proper and you're going to put the right student ID. Then the username. I recommend the username in a way that first letter must be capital and of the first name, first letter of the name, second name is capital as well. And then the password. Make sure you're putting the password which you remember, right? And you can put the password. The password information is given to us right in here. By clicking on this, you're able to see it has to be minimum 9 characters, 1 digit, and all that information. So I'm putting a password that I would remember. Then I click on check this box if you agree. Yeah, I'm going to click on this box and then create an account. So it will take a minute or so and it will uh, create an account for you, right? And then that's how your account has been made. So now in here, offers, click on offers. The Henson College have a special pricing for $49 plus taxes, which is approximately $57. Um, all the students have to pay in order to have an account, a working account with for Henson College from McGraw-Hill. Then the third thing you have to do is courses. You have to click, you have to be in the right course. So click on courses and here you are able to find your courses. So add a course, you're able to see your courses in here. Make sure you are putting the right course. So for example, spring is our current time. So spring 2024, HR 1.1. Is this the right one? Is this 1.13, 1.15, 1.19, 1.2, and 1.4? So please make sure, look at your schedule. You have to enroll into a right section. If you're not enrolling a right section, then you're not able to part of that class. So I am the student of HR 1.1. I click on enroll. So once you click on enroll, as I mentioned to you before, you will have a 14 days courtesy access. So McGraw-Hill is giving all of us 14 days free access to the account to make sure that you are creating your accounts and you're familiar how to make accounts and you're able to do that in 14 days. That's why they're giving you 14 days free of cost to make an account. So this is how you click on that and activate now. Once you click on activate, you're able to see your access courtesy access activated. You'll be successful to be part of that course. Now you're able to see view assignments. So you're able to see the view assignments in here. This is how to create an account on SIMnet. And then you're able to click all of your assignments. Chapter 1, as this course have a chapter 1 information already here. So under each folder, you are able to see each week, you're able to see different work. So this is your chapter, sim book, chapter number 1. This is your project. As you can see, this is classwork is given to us right in here, and this is your homework. So classwork, we are going to do get together online or in person in the class. And homework, you're going to do it on your time. As I mentioned in my introduction video as well, that you have 60 minutes per week to complete every homework project in this class. So you can do this homework in this class for 60 minutes. So this is how you make an account on your SIMnet. I hope that everybody do understand, and now they're able to make their accounts on SIMnet. Now, this is for 14 days free of cost. Once the 14 days are very close to finish, then you click on your name and then you're going to put buy online, and then in that way you come to that this screen called offers, and under offers, purchase. Once you click on purchase, it will ask you which country. So you are coming right here called Canada, then school you're looking for in here, write down Hansen and then search for Hansen. Please make sure that you're putting Toronto Hansen International Academy, International College, Toronto, right? So this is you are going to put Hansen International College. Click in here and then continue. Once you click on continue, do not put in Brampton or any other. This is the right one. You're going to buy SIMnet 365 2021 Manning Excel Complete Custom Hansen. So this is for $49. There is no promo code. Put your information, your card number, your credit card information, your name, your number, expiration, CVV, and make sure, please, uh, put the right billing address. Once you put all the information, review order, that will review your order and it will add the tax at that time. And this is the way your access will be activated and you are able to buy this for your course for 14 weeks that you must complete during the class time on assignments. I hope that everybody do understand now and they are able to make their accounts. If you have any questions and troubles, you can probably talk to your teacher directly and they're able to help you to making your accounts step by step on SIMnet. If you have any questions, you can probably send me a message on Schoology and I'm more than happy to help you out. I hope that you understand. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye for now.